Hello and welcome to yet another episode of HealZen podcast. I am your host Mukesh Tiwari. We have all heard about lifestyle diseases. Lifestyle diseases means diseases that are due to our modern lifestyle. And it will be shocking for you to know that एक lifestyle disease ऐसा था जो कि 2 दशकों के पहले तो था भी नहीं. It was not there until 2 decades ago. It is a very modern disease and that disease is कोई guess कर सकता है. That disease is PCOS. This PCOS is purely due to your modern lifestyle. It's a purebred lifestyle disease. And to talk about PCOS, we have Dr. Apoorva and Riya with us. Welcome, Dr. Apoorva. Welcome, Riya. Welcome to this podcast. So my first question to you is PCOS reversible?
Yes, PCOS is reversible. We have done that. We have reversed PCOS by eliminating the root cause of PCOS. We have regularized the menstrual cycle of girls and women who were suffering from PCOS.
So why do we hear about this PCOS cases becoming more severe with the passage of time?
That's due to ignorance of underlying causes of PCOS. To understand more about PCOS, you should know what exactly the PCOS is. The PCOS is an endocrine disorder. Endocrine disorder due to hormonal imbalance. So Mukesh, the go-to approach for PCOS nowadays is putting a girl on hormonal therapy. This therapy creates more hormonal imbalance, which is again treated with hormones only, and this becomes vicious cycle. Solution for PCOS is not just putting the girl or lady on hormonal pills. If you want to reverse the PCOS, one has to take control of your own body. So in PCOS cases, the root cause is ignored and underlying causes are also not treated. That's why we see that these cases are becoming severe day by day.
So Riya, what exactly happens in PCOS?
Let us start by understanding what PCOS is. PCOS stands for Polycystic Ovarian Syndrome, which is characterized by a set of symptoms like irregular periods, sudden weight gain, hair on a woman's chest or back, etc. It is mainly due to increase in the male hormone in a female's body, which results in hormonal imbalances. Now understand this, hormones play a very important role in our body. Since hormones regulate key aspects in our body, any disruption in the balance of the hormone will result in disruption in the body processes. If hormones are responsible for such important aspects in our body, who contributes to keep hormones in balance? Do you have any guesses?
I guess the brain.
Yes, it's the brain. But now you might be thinking, how did brain come in between?
Right.
Because there are parts of brain which control the release of hormones. These are hypothalamus and pituitary gland. Now the brain has a close connection to yet another organ, that is your gut. Now the gut microbiome is what primarily governs the gut. So indirectly, the gut microbiome becomes responsible for the release of hormones or the harmony or balance of the hormones in the body. Hormonal imbalances usually result in endocrine problems such as PCOS. No one ever looks at it in this way. Everyone is just focused on symptoms like treating irregular periods.
Oh, okay. So Dr. Apoorva, how do you approach this PCOS reversal?
Our PCOS reversal consists of 3 very important parts which are followed by detailed history taking during consultation. So we begin with our protherapeutic protocol. Now let me explain you what are these protherapeutic protocol. Protherapeutic protocols are combination of different formulations which have bioactive compounds and which also have health promoting medical properties. These protocols are safe, evidence-based and recommended by doctors. So in this PCOS reversal case, we put the girl on PCOS reversal protocol where we provide her uterine tonic which takes care of her uterine or reproductive health. We also add some formulation which take care of her other problems like obesity and insulin resistance.
Adding on, out of the 3 aspects of the protherapeutic protocol, the second aspect is providing the girl or a woman a proper nutrition therapy at our functional nutrition therapy department. Here, we plan a food protocol along with lifestyle modifications and address the root causes primarily. PCOS can be triggered by inflammation, insulin resistance, and increase in the stress hormone in a girl or a woman's body. The third aspect is psychological healing because, as mentioned, stress and anxiety can also trigger PCOS. Our pro-therapeutic protocol actually focuses on wholesome healing.
So, Dr. Purva, this wholesome healing is the science behind PCOS reversal.
That's right. Let me tell you one case study here. We have a case study of 26-year-old girl who was working in modeling industry. Suddenly she started gaining weight. She was also facing irregular menstrual cycles. She has heaviness in her body and she was advised surgery for her fibroid. She was going through the therapy, hormonal therapy. Fortunately, she came to know about HealZen clinic and she visited the clinic. After going through detailed history, we put her on pro-therapeutic protocol for reversal of PCOS, which includes 3 parts in her case. We started uterine tonic, which took care of her reproductive health. Second protocol we started for her weight management, and third was psychosomatic analysis for her stress management. She started feeling qualitative relief where she started losing her weight, her heaviness in body was reduced, quantitatively her hormonal levels started coming back to normal, her menstrual cycle was normal, and this was achieved in 6 to 7 months.
That's very nice, ma'am. I'm sure the girl would be very happy.
Here, I would like to point one of the major side effects of PCOS is that girls or women they start to lose their confidence, and this ends up in a feeling of depression. With our PCOS reversal program, women tend to gain their confidence back.
So, after this PCOS reversal, do they still have to continue with their pro-therapeutic protocol?
After PCOS is reversed, we put the girl or a woman on a maintenance protocol for 2 months. Here, we advise the woman to follow a particular diet protocol along with lifestyle modification and stress management activities.
So, thank you, Riya, for that answer. So, coming back to Dr. Purva, can PCOS be life-threatening?
It doesn't become life-threatening, but there are many side effects like infertility. If this PCOS is untreated or ignored, then it can lead to infertility problem in future, which can put the lady in depression and frustration. So if the girl has PCOS, it should not be ignored, and HealZen's pro-therapeutic protocol is the best way to reverse the PCOS.
That's great, doctor. I must say that if the PCOS can reverse, that gives a lot of hope to so many girls and their families. Thank you, Dr. Purva, for being with us. Thank you, Riya, for being with us and giving us so much information on PCOS. I'm sure viewers आपको पता चल गया होगा PCOS reversible है, and you can log on to www.healzengroup.com and you can book your appointments. Thank you so much. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.